Hey there! In today's video, we're going to talk about something a lot of people ask about: how to reduce face fat. We're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide with practical tips that are backed by science, so stick around. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Why you have face fat? It's important to know that you can't exactly target fat loss from just one area of your body. If you're carrying extra fat in your face, it's likely due to a combination of factors like genetics, diet, and overall body fat percentage. The good news is, reducing overall body fat through a combination of healthy habits will help reduce face fat as well. Let's go over the steps you can take. Fix your diet. What you eat plays a major role in how your face looks. If you're consuming lots of processed foods, salty snacks, or sugary drinks, you're more likely to retain water, which can make your face look puffier. Reduce your sodium intake. Cutting down on salt can make a huge difference in facial bloating. When you consume too much sodium, your body retains water to balance it out, and guess where that water often ends up? Yep, your face. According to the American Heart Association, the average adult should aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium a day, and ideally, stay under 1,500 milligrams for optimal health. So, start reading those labels. Hydrate properly. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but drinking more water actually helps you reduce water retention. When your body is dehydrated, it holds onto the water it does have, which can lead to puffiness in your face. Aim for about 8 cups of water a day. A 2016 study in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition found that adequate hydration helps with everything from skin health to reducing water retention, so keep that water bottle handy. Exercise for overall fat loss. Like we mentioned earlier, you can't target just face fat. However, as you reduce your overall body fat, your face will start to slim down too. That means regular exercise is key. Cardio is your friend. Cardio workouts are one of the most effective ways to burn calories and reduce fat. The more you move, the more fat you burn, both from your body and your face. Studies, like the one published in the Journal of Obesity and Weight Loss Therapy in 2018, show that people who engage in regular aerobic activity tend to lose fat faster. Try exercises like brisk walking, running, or cycling. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week for best results. To get in-depth details on cardio in general, watch this video. Does cardio help you lose weight? The link should show up on your screen right about now. Face-specific exercises. Now, while you can't just zap away face fat by doing face exercises alone, they do help tone your facial muscles and improve circulation, giving your face a more defined look. These exercises, sometimes called facial yoga, can enhance the overall appearance of your face. Cheek puff exercise. Here's a simple one: fill your cheeks with air, then move it from side to side for about 10 seconds. Repeat this 10 times a day. It helps strengthen your cheek muscles, giving you a more lifted look over time. Chin lift. Sit up straight and tilt your head back, looking at the ceiling. Press your lips together and hold that position for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times a day. This one targets the jawline and can help reduce the appearance of a double chin. Jaw release. This is another great one for toning your jawline. Keep your lips closed and move your lower jaw up and down while breathing through your nose. Do this for about 10 to 15 repetitions. Some people swear by these exercises, and though more research is needed, anecdotal evidence suggests that consistent practice can tighten your face and give it a more sculpted appearance. Sleep well. Not getting enough sleep can make your face look puffier and more bloated. When you don't sleep well, your body releases more cortisol, a stress hormone that can cause water retention. According to a study from the Sleep Research Society, adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for optimal health and appearance. So, make sure you're getting enough rest. Reduce alcohol and sugar intake. Excess sugar and alcohol can wreak havoc on your face, leading to bloating, puffiness, and even breakouts. A 2019 study published by the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming large amounts of sugar increases the likelihood of weight gain and fat storage, including in your face. Alcohol, on the other hand, dehydrates your body, causing it to retain water in places like your face. If you want a more defined face, cut back on both alcohol and sugar. And there you have it. How to reduce face fat in a healthy and sustainable way. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these habits and give it time. You'll start noticing a difference not just in your face, but in your overall health and appearance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, share with your friends, and drop a comment below to let us know what worked for you or if you have any other tips to share.